Start. The short question raised in this petition is as to whether the subdivisional magistrate was right in cancelling the license to run a fair price shop issued in favor of the petitioner as affirmed by the commissioner in appeal under the provisions of the UP Scheduled Commodities Distribution Order, 2004, read with government order dated 28.10.2002 full stop. The petitioner was granted a license to run a fair price shop under the government order dated 28.10.2002, which was then prevalent in the year 2003 full stop. This was done according to the petitioner under a valid resolution of the Gram Sabha to run the shop in the village in question full stop. The charges of maldistribution were brought against him coupled with the charge of having concealed the fact that his father was already a license holder of a fair price shop of another village, which disqualifies the petitioner for a license under clause 10 in bracket E bracket out of the government order dated 28.10.2002 full stop. An inquiry was conducted with opportunity to the petitioner, who, apart from defending the charges on the ground of improper procedure adopted during inquiry, went on to urge that since he was living separately from his father, he did not suffer any such disqualification as alleged aforesaid full stop. It was also contended by the petitioner in his reply that the documents which he wanted to support his stand, were lost on his way to the subdivisional magistrate's office full stop. Relying on the extract of the family register, it was pleaded that the petitioner's family has been shown separately from that of his father, and as such it is urged that the conclusions drawn by the subdivisional magistrate as affirmed by the commissioner are erroneous full stop. In short, since the petitioner is separated from his father, therefore he does not belong to the same family as per the government order dated 28.10.2002, and therefore, he does not suffer from any such disqualification full stop. The prayer is to accordingly quash the impugned orders as they proceed on erroneous assumption of law and fact full stop para. Learned counsel for the petitioner has reiterated the submissions that were advanced before the authorities below and has invited the attention of the court to the extract of the family register appended to this writ petition to support the stand of segregation of the family status of the petitioner full stop. He contends that once the petitioner is recorded as the head of a separate family and the petitioner claims to be living under a separate roof in a distinct household, the authorities have committed an error in construing the provisions adversely against the petitioner full stop. In response, learned standing counsel contends that the definition of separation of family and its interpretation under personal law or under special statutes would not govern the definition of family as occurring in the government order dated 28.10.2002 full stop. He urges that the word family has not been specifically defined, but in view of the purpose of the order governing grant of license of running a fair price shop, the widest possible meaning should be construed full stop.